Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to another episode of Dining Delicious. Today, I will be sharing with you a very interesting chicken recipe in which spicy fried chicken are cooked with mushrooms in a creamy gravy. It is a two-step recipe. First, we need to marinate the chicken pieces. So, let's take a look at the ingredients that we need for the marination. In a bowl, I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken pieces. To this, we add half a teaspoon of ginger paste. It is approximately 5 grams. Then we add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. It's approximately 20 grams. We add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. It is approximately 1 gram. This is optional. We add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. It is approximately 2 grams. Add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. It is approximately 5 grams. Add half a tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This is approximately 2 grams. In goes half a teaspoon of tandoori masala. Again, it's approximately 2 grams. Then we add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. It is approximately 2 grams. Add 1 egg. To this we add 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil. Now we add 1 tablespoon of curd or yogurt. In goes 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Add salt as required. Mix everything very nicely with the chicken. Now we cover the bowl and keep aside the marinated chicken for an hour. After an hour, in a pan, we add 5 to 6 tablespoons of sunflower oil. When the oil is hot, add the chicken pieces one by one into the oil and fry them very nicely. On medium heat, fry the chicken pieces for around 7 minutes till golden brown. Flip the sides in between. Continue frying. As you can see that the chicken pieces are nicely fried and are cooked. Now we take them out in a bowl. Similarly, we fry rest of the chicken pieces. As you can see, the chicken pieces are fried nice golden brown. Now we will prepare the creamy gravy. Let's take a look at the ingredients that we need. 1 large onion, very finely chopped. It is approximately 160 grams. 2 bay leaves. 8 mushrooms that I have finely sliced. 10 cashews. It's approximately 20 grams. 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. It's approximately 10 grams. Together we make a paste with some water in a mixer. 1.5 tablespoons of butter. 3 tablespoons of oil. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic paste. Half a teaspoon of ginger paste. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Half a cup of fresh cream, approximately 110 ml. Salt as per taste. Sugar as per taste. A pinch of cardamom powder and some coriander leaves. In a separate pan, heat up 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add the bay leaves. Saute a bit. Now add the finely chopped onions to this. On high heat, fry the onions for 3 minutes till the onion changes its color. Add a pinch of salt. Now, as you know, my friends, adding of salt speeds up the cooking process. Now you can see that the onions are changing their color. At this point, we add the mushroom pieces. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter. Saute very nicely on high heat for around 4 minutes. Now we put the heat to medium. Add the garlic paste. Add the ginger paste. Add the pepper powder. Stir and saute very nicely for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the coriander powder. Add the garam masala powder. Saute for a minute. Add salt as per taste. I have added around 1 teaspoon of salt. Add sugar as per taste. Here I have added around 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. Stir and saute very nicely. As the chicken pieces already contain salt, so we'll add a little bit less of salt to the gravy. Add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. This is optional. Give it a good stir. Now add the cashew and sesame seeds paste to this. On medium heat, stir and cook nicely for a minute. Add the fresh cream. Mix everything nicely. Add a pinch of cardamom powder. Add half a cup of warm water to this. On high heat, bring everything to a boil. When it starts to boil, we simmer the heat and give it a good stir. Now we add the fried chicken pieces to this. Add rest of the butter. Toss very nicely. Now sprinkle some coriander leaves. This gives a good taste and aroma to the gravy. Now we cover the pan for around 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, we open the lid. Mix and stir everything very nicely. On high heat, cook further for a minute. After a minute, switch off the heat, cover the pan and give it a standing time of 5 minutes before serving. Our spicy fried chicken in a creamy gravy is perfectly ready to be served. It goes very well with the Indian bread, roti, paratha, naan, bread and even normal rice. Do give it a try. Please don't forget to give it a like and do subscribe and stay tuned for more interesting recipes coming every week. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.